Looking to find out how to fit your excavator bucket when you don't have a hitch on your excavator? Start here. So in this video we're going to fit this bucket onto the machine, and this machine doesn't currently have a manual or a hydraulic hitch fitted. So we're going to show you the quick steps on how to go through fitting that to your machine. So the first step I'm going to do, I'm going to extend the bucket link out so that the bucket link is hanging below the dipper arm, and then we will position that into the position on the rear pin on the bucket. So we're just going to extend the bucket link out, and then we're going to position it into position between the hangers of the bucket. So with the bucket link in position, we're going to now put the pin in place and tap it all the way in. So for this next step, I'm going to be lifting the arm up slightly and crowding the bucket back in, which will bring the front pin into position. So with the bucket now in the air, we can put the pin just into the boss and swing it forward and just tap that into position. And the final step is just to secure the linch pins onto the locking pins. Now various different bucket systems have different ways of locking. This is a Kubota bucket, so it has a peg on the hanger, so you just have to make sure the pins are secured in position, otherwise they'll drift loose and then you'll have a big problem on your hands. So for more interesting tips and tricks and how-tos on how to care for your excavator, please don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. So for more interesting tips and